You ever have one of those days where you put together a video and then you realize that the story didn't come out quite as you had planned and you didn't have any footage to support it?
And you're like, don't. So as you can tell, this is a different time because my hair's cut. Yes, I got to go get my hair cut.
Real-time update. Little prelude to the video. Alicia from Rolling Retreats came to Washington State and she had a surprise for us. She actually made some phone calls and contacted the owner of the one and only MX450 in the country and said, yeah, and said, I've got some customers that really would like to look at the MX450 and yours is the only one in the country. Would it be possible for us to come see it? And lo and behold,
they were so sweet.
They said yes. So you're going to get a chance for the first preliminary view of the MX450.
Yeah.
So here it comes.
3, 2, 1, action.
No, I'm going to drop it. You guys can have it all day.
Okay. Okay, let's get some information here, Jim.
This COVID-19 thing's starting to irritate me.
Yeah, me too. So what we'll do for you, Jim, is I'm going to do, we call it a level 2 service. This includes your engine oil filter, chassis lubrication, and then a very thorough inspection of the truck. It's about a 2-hour inspection, going through everything, making sure everything's okay. Your fuel water separator, and your primary engine filter. So it goes through all the filters and everything that you need to look at. That. Okay. Anything else?
Yeah, where do you want me to put my keys?
Just leave them in the ignition float up behind door number 3, and we'll be pulling it in momentarily to go through decontamination.
Door no? Oh, really?
Very cool.
Okay. All right, Tim, thanks. And then this afternoon sometime, you think?
Yes, sir.
Okay, appreciate it. Thank you. All right, so check. That was
Pull up at door number 3.
That was interesting.
Yeah.
We've never had this experience. I mean, this is completely touchless.
Yeah.
No human interaction at all.
Yeah. They won't even take cash.
That's kind of weird.
Yeah.
But it is what it is. So the truck is at the shop. We're going to get a full Class B service. And
Nice.
they're going to check a couple of things for me. Make sure everything's operating properly. And we're going to go take care of some laundry and edit some videos.
And hang out with the kids.
And hang out with the grandkids.
Yay.
So that was interesting.
It was.
So we'll pick it up this afternoon. I do too.
All right.
Here we go.
Let's go.
Okay, here we are. Where are we?
We're at No Lie.
No Lie.
No Lie Brewery.
Washington State. Look.
What are
we got the Oklahoma girl out of Oklahoma.
With my lipstick.
I know, I'm getting mine.
Yes, I'm in
My shiny on.
Washington.
Yes, you are. Welcome.
Thank you. Cheers. Cheers.
So cheers.
Cheers.
Yay!
All right, now the fun begins.
Good morning, my dear.
Good morning.
It's early. It's early for Miss Kelly.
It is way too early for me, but that's okay.
Because we have a fun day planned.
We do. I'm so excited.
Yesterday, Miss Alicia came in from Rolling Retreats. She
Yay.
flew into Spokane
Yeah. To see us.
and to go see the one and only MX450 that's in the country.
That's in the world. Really, it is. It's the only
is.
one in the world.
So we got up early. We're going to go have breakfast with Miss Alicia.
Yes, we are.
And then we're going to go see the MX450. It's located about an hour and a half south of Spokane. Actually, almost 2 hours south of
Yeah, I
Spokane.
think you said it was 2 hours.
Yes.
Which is
And,
why we had to get up so early.
Yes. But Miss Alicia was, we had so much fun yesterday.
We did. We took her around Spokane and
Yep.
all the falls. She loves water and trees, and you got it here.
Yeah. So we had a great day yesterday. We're going to have another great day today, so come along with us. We're going to go see the MX450. Almost there.
We are almost there. I'm so excited.
We are in Idaho.
In Idaho. Take measure in hand.
Tape measure, that's right.
We're ready.
We are ready to see this thing. It's been a good drive though. It's been a fun day.
Yeah, it's been real pretty. So it's the only one in
Ever.
the world
At
Yep.
the moment. Yes.
at the moment.
Correct.
So we are very excited to go see, feel, sit,
Try it on for size.
try it on for size.
Yeah.
That's right. So hang with us. You'll see it in a few.
Here we go. Well, all good things must come to an end.
I know. I'm so
That part
sad.
Hey, we really want to thank Alicia for coming out and seeing us and spending some time with us and checking out the new MX450, which you will get a first shot at before anybody else.
That's right.
Yes.
So we've been sitting with Alicia now for a couple of days, and she's got all of our wants and wishes all figured out.
Yeah.
Some changes that we've got to the floor plan we're really excited about. She's going to take them back home and make sure that everything can happen. So she's flying back home today. We're going to show you the MX450 next week, and we can't thank Alicia from Rolling Retreats enough. She's just been spectacular.
My pleasure.
It was
such a good time.
You know, we were planning on her coming out to Indiana with us, but since Indiana fell through, she came to us, and what an outstanding position to be in. So, thanks for watching, everybody. And from Spokane,
Okay.
In front of Frank's Diner, the best breakfast you can go to. It all
Great.
starts with an idea.
thanks for watching, everybody. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.